The EMTOP lithium-ion rotary hammer. The lithium-ion battery can be applied to all 100-plus products of P20S platform. Brand new brushless motor technology provide up to 73% more power, with bigger cylinder provide more work efficiency. The bigger cooling ventilation increase the working time and service life. The shaft locking function with 3 modes with direction adjusting function. Switch between 3 modes, drilling, hammer drilling and chiseling mode, to ensure the job down right. Drill holes up to 26 mm. Guarantees safety with decoupling technology. On-board LED work light and depth guide with forward and reverse function ensure this rotary hammer is for any challenge. This is EMTOP brushless lithium-ion rotary hammer.